Try to do the following questions and check your level of knowledge. Model question for exit exam, Soil and Water Management. 71. What is splash erosion? A. Erosion caused by wind. B. Soil detachment and movement due to raindrop impact. C. Soil removal by river flow. D. Erosion caused by animal movement. Answer: B. Soil detachment and movement due to raindrop impact. 72. Which process initiates splash erosion? A. Heavy river flooding. B. Freezing and thawing cycles. C. Falling raindrops striking bare soil. D. High wind speeds. Answer: C. Falling raindrops striking bare soil. 73. What best describes sheet erosion? A. Soil being removed uniformly across a large area by surface runoff. B. Deep channels forming in the soil. C. Soil splashing by raindrops. D. Soil carried by wind in dunes. Answer: A. Soil being removed uniformly across a large area by surface runoff. 74. Which of the following indicates that sheet erosion is occurring? A. Visible channels on the ground. B. Bare spots in fields and thin layers of topsoil removed. C. Formation of waterfalls. D. Cracks in the soil. Answer: B. Bare spots in fields and thin layers of topsoil removed. 75. What is rill erosion? A. The movement of soil in large streams. B. Uniform soil removal. C. Small channels less than 30 centimeters deep formed by running water. D. Erosion caused by ice. Answer: C. Small channels less than 30 centimeters deep formed by running water. 76. Which farming practice can help reduce rill erosion? A. Overgrazing fields. B. Contour plowing. C. Removing vegetation cover. D. Plowing straight down the slope. Answer: B. Contour plowing. 77. When does rill erosion typically occur? A. When water flows over flat land. B. When water concentrates and cuts small channels during heavy rains. C. During droughts. D. Only in desert regions. Answer: B. When water concentrates and cuts small channels during heavy rains. 78. What is the major difference between rill erosion and gully erosion? A. Rills are wider and deeper than gullies. B. Gullies are wider, deeper, and cannot easily be smoothed by regular farming. C. Rills are permanent landforms. D. Rills are caused by strong winds. Answer: B. Gullies are wider, deeper, and cannot easily be smoothed by regular farming. 79. Gully erosion leads to A. Minor surface scratches. B. Large, deep channels that can no longer be removed by normal farming equipment. C. Small puddles forming. D. Healthy plant growth. Answer: B. Large, deep channels that can no longer be removed by normal farming equipment. 80. Which of the following is a common method to control gully erosion? A. Letting gullies grow larger. B. Installing check dams and planting grass. C. Removing all vegetation. D. Channeling more water into the gully. Answer: B. Installing check dams and planting grass. 81. Stream bank erosion refers to A. Soil loss on mountain tops. B. Soil being washed away from the banks of rivers and streams. C. Soil being lifted by tree roots. D. Wind blowing soil across river surfaces. Answer: B. Soil being washed away from the banks of rivers and streams. 82. Which factor contributes most to stream bank erosion? A. Strong river currents and fluctuating water levels. B. Low rainfall. C. High soil compaction. D. Minimal vegetation along riverbanks. Answer: A. Strong river currents and fluctuating water levels. 83. What is a common solution to minimize stream bank erosion? A. Removing vegetation along riverbanks. B. Building riprap, rock armoring, and planting riparian vegetation. C. Deepening the river channel artificially. D. Building concrete dams across small streams. Answer: B. Building riprap, rock armoring, and planting riparian vegetation. 84. How does vegetation along riverbanks reduce stream bank erosion? A. It increases water speed. B. It stabilizes the soil with root systems. C. It prevents sunlight from reaching the river. D. It softens riverbank soils. Answer: B. It stabilizes the soil with root systems. 85. Which of the following correctly matches the type of erosion with its primary cause? A. Splash erosion, wind impact. B. Sheet erosion, concentrated water flow. C. Rill erosion, small concentrated surface runoff. D. Gully erosion, soil disturbance by earthworms. Answer: C. Rill erosion, small concentrated surface runoff. 86. What is the main function of a terrace in soil conservation? A. To create flat areas for farming on steep slopes. B. To increase soil fertility by adding organic matter. C. To drain excess water from the soil. D. To make land more suitable for livestock grazing. Answer: A. To create flat areas for farming on steep slopes. 87. Which of the following is a typical characteristic of terrace farming? A. Planting crops in rows on a flat surface. B. Soil erosion and runoff are controlled by constructing steps or embankments. C. Use of windbreaks to slow down air movement. D. Planting trees around the farm to reduce water loss. Answer: B. Soil erosion and runoff are controlled by constructing steps or embankments. 88. Terracing is most effective in A. Flat plains. B. Coastal areas. C. Hilly or mountainous areas. D. Desert regions. Answer: C. Hilly or mountainous areas. 89. The primary benefit of terracing is A. Improving crop diversity. B. Reducing soil erosion and water runoff. C. Increasing pesticide use. D. Reducing water consumption. Answer: B. Reducing soil erosion and water runoff. 90. In a Fania geosystem, soil is A. Dug from the field and piled uphill to form embankments. B. Dug from ditches and thrown downhill. C. Plowed to create deep furrows on the slopes. D. Watered using irrigation systems. Answer: A. Dug from the field and piled uphill to form embankments. 91. Fania geoterraces are typically used in A. Flatland areas. B. Desert regions with minimal rainfall. C. Steeply sloping agricultural land. D. Lowland, swampy areas. Answer: C. Steeply sloping agricultural land. 92. What is one of the advantages of the Fania geosystem? A. Increased water runoff. B. Helps in retaining soil and moisture on steep slopes. C. Reduces vegetation cover. D. Encourages soil erosion. Answer: B. Helps in retaining soil and moisture on steep slopes. 93. A soil bund is created by A. Using concrete barriers around fields. B. Constructing a ridge of soil along the contour of the slope. C. Digging ditches around fields. D. Placing stones on the land surface. Answer: B. Constructing a ridge of soil along the contour of the slope. 94. Soil bunds help prevent A. Excessive fertilizer use. B. Water evaporation from the soil. C. Soil erosion by slowing down surface runoff. D. Air pollution from farm machinery. Answer, C. Soil erosion by slowing down surface runoff. 95. Which of the following is true about soil buns? A. They can be made using only organic materials. B. They are temporary structures used during floods. C. They are permanent features that help retain soil and moisture. D. They are used to store fertilizers. Answer, C. They are permanent features that help retain soil and moisture. 96. A stone bund is built by A. Placing large stones along the slope to slow water flow. B. Creating a wall of stones to separate fields. C. Using small stones as a mulch cover for crops. D. Digging trenches and filling them with stones. Answer, A. Placing large stones along the slope to slow water flow. 97 stone bunds are most effective in A. Coastal areas. B. Wetlands. C. Arid and semi-arid regions with minimal rainfall. D. Wet tropical regions. Answer, C. Arid and semi-arid regions with minimal rainfall. 98. Which of the following is a benefit of using stone bunds in soil conservation? A. They increase soil fertility. B. They can trap water and reduce runoff. C. They completely prevent all erosion. D. They cause soil compaction. Answer, B. They can trap water and reduce runoff. 99. What is the primary function of a check dam? A. To create a permanent reservoir for water storage. B. To slow down and control the flow of water in a river or stream. C. To irrigate dry lands. D. To allow sediment to settle and purify water. Answer, B. To slow down and control the flow of water in a river or stream. 100. Check dams are commonly used to A. Prevent large-scale forest fires. B. Reduce flooding and soil erosion in small river basins. C. Boost river navigation. D. Increase fish populations in rivers. Answer, B. Reduce flooding and soil erosion in small river basins. 101. Which material is commonly used in the construction of check dams? A. Plastic sheets. B. Wood only. C. Concrete, stones, or logs. D. Iron rods. Answer, C. Concrete, stones, or logs. 102. Agroforestry refers to A. The practice of growing only trees in forests. B. The use of animals to harvest crops. C. The integration of trees, crops, and livestock on the same land. D. Only the cultivation of commercial crops. Answer, C. The integration of trees, crops, and livestock on the same land. 103. Which of the following is a key advantage of agroforestry? A. Reduced biodiversity. B. Increased soil erosion. C. Improved soil fertility and increased crop yield. D. High pesticide use. Answer, C. Improved soil fertility and increased crop yield. 104. In agroforestry, trees are planted alongside crops to A. Increase crop competition. B. Provide shade, improve soil structure, and prevent erosion. C. Increase the risk of pest infestations. D. Reduce water retention in the soil. Answer, B. 105. Intercropping involves A. Planting multiple crops in the same field at the same time to maximize land use. B. Using pesticides on only one type of crop. C. Growing crops on different pieces of land every year. D. Planting the same crop on the entire farm. Answer, A. Planting multiple crops in the same field at the same time to maximize land use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and share for your friends. See you next time.